I'm Daniel Thrasher, Senior Content Strategist here at ClickBank. This is an excerpt from my full new SEO blogging course for affiliates. So now we're on to customizing your blog. And right off the bat, I want to say I don't want this blog setup to take a ton of time because content is where most of your progress is going to come from. But you do want your site to have a certain level of polish so that people who visit it can see that it's professional. You also want to make sure that you've taken care of a few key items for Google. I'm going to walk you through the most important steps here. If you can, I would just time block 2 hours and get these to-dos checked off right now. Okay, so here is the home page funnel. You can see that you have the home page here. You also have the blog feed down here. So the blog feed is where your actual blog posts will be accessed from. But let's go ahead and check out the home page and see what kind of edits we can make on here. So this title, I'm going to call the actual website. We're going to do it like that. And then backing up the big promise of your headline, say something like dazzle your friends with a perfect golf swing. How about that? And then note that right now that's currently connected to the blog feed straight from the homepage. That first button that is a call to action. But we can go ahead and edit that as well. Hit button settings. And instead of call to action, you can say, get started, navigate over to the blog. We will be able to make more changes to the button style either from right here by picking one of these colors, or I can show you in a little bit how to change the theme settings. But go ahead and do that. And now I'm going to quickly edit this section. What we want is to find a background that's going to look more like golf. So there's a couple different ways to do this. If I search for golf, I'm actually able to find different images in here that are powered by Pexels, which is one of those stock photo websites that allows you to have free images without having to license anything. So I could go through here and find a golf image that I think, that one, let's say that one looks good. So I can go ahead and do that, and boom, just like that. You also have this nice parallax effect. So I'm going to hit save real quick, but you can see that already the site is looking a lot more golf-like just by adding the title of the site that I had, this little subtitle and a button to go to the blog itself, and then having this nice background image. For this section, customizing it, I would usually link out to either individual products or individual blog posts. Down the road, I will be creating content. You can talk about like how to perfect your golf swing, short putts versus long putts, and top golf resorts around the world. And so anyway, I'm just saying this is one example of something you could do with this section, is just like highlight some of your popular content on your page or on your blog, and this would allow you to customize this to tease the content and get people to go straight to that. So you've got a nice situation where there's a link out to the overall blog, and then you have some individual posts that you link to as well. Okay, so moving on down the page, the next thing that we're going to adjust is this section that talks about the product. I highly recommend, if you have an affiliate product you want to promote, go ahead and talk about it here. So the product that we wanted to focus on in this course is a product called the Stress-Free Golf Swing, which teaches you tips on how to do better at at your golf swing. So I went ahead and created some quick copy. And I'm going to show you real quick how to create a button. So you see this quick insert, it doesn't actually have one for the button. It talks about images or URLs, some of these other great handy things. But if you want to create a button, you can just double tap here and this will come up. You can hit insert button like that. And then I am going to click on this and I'm going to go to the style and that would allow me to change it to like green, which would look good for golf perhaps. I'm going to hit edit link and then I can see something like, perfect your golf swing here. And then here's where we would put in our affiliate link. I'm not going to worry about that right now, but I will put that there. And there you have it. You have a section for this part. Same here. If you wanted to adjust that to include your affiliate link, then you can just go to this insert link or hit Command K or Control K, depending on whether you are Mac or PC, and then just paste that here. I do have this help link that we could insert just to show what it looks like. And then lastly, I'm going to swap out this image to be more in line with the kind of image that works with this product. There's actually some swipe files on their affiliate tools page for this product. And so I'm going to hit replace and I can either browse images, I can add one by URL, or I can upload one. I can also drop it. So I'm going to go to my own files here and I'm going to find an image that I had. It's this one. It's a banner image that I can put in here and I'm going to just drag and drop it over here. And you can see it fits nicely in this section. It's a nice vertical image. Same as the other parts. We can go here and we can grab this, insert the hop link there. And there you have it. We have a section that allows us to promote our affiliate product. I hope you got a lot of value out of that video. It actually features ClickBank's all-in-one funnel builder, ClickBank Accelerator. And in my course, we dive into how you can use that to build your first affiliate blog. So if you're interested, just check that out in the description below.